Do you plan to buy a slow cooker? Are you looking for the best one for yourself? You might be feeling confused and overwhelmed by various brands and models on the market. Don't miss this video. We list the most popular and top-rated products on the market today, based on countless research and customer ratings. We also present the key features and benefits of each in the review, all aimed to provide you the selection of the best products and help you to make your decisions faster and easier. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. A good slow cooker doesn't have to break the bank, as the elite Gourmet MST250XS proves. This slow cooker is perfect for cooking and serving small one-pot meals and appetizers such as soups, stews, meatballs, dips. It's a great kickoff for a fondue party or where everyone prepares their favorite dip. This versatile small appliance can be a single person's best companion. It features low and high temperature settings, a keep warm setting allowing you to keep your meal hot and fresh before it's served, and an attractive stainless steel finish. It includes a removable inner stoneware pot that's easy to clean, with a tempered glass lid with metal rim for easy viewing of cooking cycle and cool touch handles and knob for safe handling. If you're looking for the best slow cooker, we'd recommend the Pot SCR300SS. This crock-pot 3-quart round manual slow cooker provides you the flexibility to prepare a meal early and then have it slow cook all day, so you can come home to a nutritious, home-cooked meal in the evening. It's a healthier, more cost-efficient and convenient way to cook. This slow cooker cooks on high or low settings, and the warm setting can be used to keep your dish at ideal serving temperature. The trendy hexagon design of this slow cooker is the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. The Hamilton Beach 33443 may be the most overlooked slow cooker on the market. This slow cooker knows when dinner will be ready with flexible programming options. With it, making a delicious, home-cooked meal is as easy as putting a few ingredients in the cooker and turning it on. With more programming options, this cooker gives you the ultimate selection of temperature and cooking time combinations. There's no need to monitor the cooking process. The wraparound element provides even heating that doesn't require stirring. The Foodi OP101 is a highly capable slow cooker that pushes the price point with good reason. Foodi multi-cooker, with TenderCrisp technology, cooks food to golden brown perfection, with exclusive TenderCrisp technology. Pressure cook quick, tender, juicy meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Then choose from air crisp, bake, roast or grill settings to give your perfectly cooked food a crispy, golden finish. Enjoy perfectly cooked chips, crispy chicken wings, golden roast vegetables, and even roast a whole chicken. Swap between the pressure lid and crisping lid for perfect results every time. Even frozen food can be thoroughly cooked and finished with a crisp defrosting, cooking and crisping in one go. Easily switch between multiple cooking functions with the handy touchscreen. Slow cook to ensure your meal is ready when you get home, from pulled pork to casserole and risotto. You're in control with adjustable time settings and high and low cooking temperatures. It's hard to beat the value offered by the Instant Pot Ultra 60. Designed for the home chef looking for a greater degree of customization and control for even greater precision cooking. The Ultra combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice, porridge cooker, cake maker, yogurt maker, sauté, searing, steamer, warmer, sterilizer, and a truly new and unique feature, the Ultra program. The Ultra provides complete custom programming for pressure and non-pressure cooking. Now, one can set the exact parameters desired to achieve perfect results every time. With the altitude adjustment, the guesswork is eliminated from a recipe conversion, providing a more precise cooking time. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. All the links about these products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.